Hi, let's create today a progressive web application in 3 easy steps. If this is your first time here and you want to learn front-end and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. In this series, we'll create an app titled The Conscious Timer, a simple and straightforward approach to stay focused. Hit the button to start the timer. The bell rings every 5 minutes, remembering to keep your focus. Let's create today the main JavaScript functionality. To make the ring bells, I need to load a WAV file and run it using the HTML5 audio component. To make it stop, I need to pause the sound and reset the timer, because the HTML5 audio container doesn't have a stop function. To make the ring bells every 5 minutes, I'm going to use setInterval method. I don't need to recreate an audio container to fire a play function every 5 minutes, because it's a persistent object, but I need to store a reference to an interval to remove it when a user wants to stop this action. Take into account that the JavaScript timer is not precise and doesn't guarantee to run every 5 minutes, it's just guaranteed to fire not earlier than you set. When the tab with the app is not active, the browser will trigger our action on idle time. That means that the bell will ring in some random time, but not earlier than every 5 minutes. Let's dive into the code. Let's add JavaScript functionality to toggle our button. For that, I'm going to add IDs for all active elements and a link to our JavaScript file. Let's start with ID for a button. It should be ID button. Another one for a bell color. And one more for overlay. And a link to a JavaScript file here, script source script.js. Let's add this file to our folder, script.js. For a bell sound, I am going to use a WAV file, wave3 sound, so let's add this file to our directory. Now let's load this file using HTML5 audio. It should be audio and our bell wave here. And let's create a reference to all our active elements. So our elements should be an array of the following IDs: button image and button overlay. Now map over them to create references. It should be like this: L, return like document, query selector, L. Set a flag for an audio container whether we are playing a sound or not yet. By default should be false, and create a variable to store a reference to our timer. Now let's add an event listener to our button. Should be ID button here, add event listener. By a click, do the following function here, and for each stored element, let's toggle its visibility. Element class list, toggle uInvisible. And regarding sound, if it's playing, then stop playing and reset the timer, like this, and clear our interval. Timeout ID here. Else play the sound. Audio play here. And now set our timeout. Set interval. Audio play each 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 60 seconds, 1000 milliseconds. And toggle is playing flag. And I have one issue here. It should be dot. And now let's test. Good. I like it. That's it. So easy. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available on the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.